In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Gemini API keys in Google AI Studio. Whether you're rotating credentials for security or simply cleaning up unused keys, removing an old key is quick and important to keep your project safe. Start on the Google AI Studio homepage. Once you're in, make sure you're looking at the correct workspace so you're managing the right set of keys for your apps. It helps to pause for a moment and think about which key you intend to remove and what services or projects might rely on it. Deleting a key immediately stops any requests that use it. Next, click on Get API Key. This takes you to the API keys area where all your existing keys are listed. Here, you'll see details like key names and, in many cases, when they were last used. If you have several keys, use those clues to identify the one you truly want to remove. A helpful practice is to name keys clearly when you create them so decisions like this are easier. On the right side of the specific key you want to remove, click the three dots. This opens the overflow menu with actions for that key. Before you proceed, double-check you picked the correct key, especially if any of your applications or backend services depend on it. If the key is active, in production, consider the impact of deleting it and be sure you've migrated those services to a replacement key beforehand. Choose Delete from the menu. This is the action that schedules the key for removal. You'll notice the interface is designed to prevent accidental clicks, but it's still a good idea to slow down here and verify your choice. Remember, once this key is gone, any scripts, servers, or tools using it will start failing their requests. A confirmation dialog will appear. Click Delete to confirm. This final confirmation permanently revokes the key, making it unusable right away. If you're managing multiple environments, now is a good moment to note the change in your documentation and, if needed, remove the old key from your environment variables, CI/CD secrets, or configuration files to avoid confusion later. That's it. You've successfully deleted a Gemini API key in Google AI Studio. As a best practice, review your keys periodically, keep only what you need, and label them by environment or service. When rotating keys, plan the switchover first, then remove the old one once traffic has fully moved. Thanks for watching and keep your project secure by staying on top of your credentials.